In this video, we'll be showing you how to fix the iPhone camera not working. So, first thing to do is to try and restart the application. Now we have to remove the application and test to go back. Sometimes that may or may not work, as this may be a software problem. The next thing to do is to go ahead and check other settings, such as in the general, and check if your phone is fully updated. Mine isn't, so you could go ahead and try to press that. Or another option could be to go down and press accessibility and make sure that voiceover is off. Now that may or may not work, but another thing that could help with the software issue is to go into general again and try to reset all the settings of your phone. Press transfer and reset, press reset and reset all settings, enter your passcode, and that may or may not work when you go back to the camera app. Now, if all of that still does not work, that may mean that your iPhone is suffering a hardware problem. Now, if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe